global warming is a real thing going on. So us as Seychelles, as a small archipelago, how we have like lots of coastal areas, global warming is really impacting us.
Transitioning to a low-carbon energy sector, it's something that we need to do. It's a necessity, but for small island, it's a huge challenge. But we are not sitting back. In a way, we are pushing forward.
We have to bring in a lot of knowledge to our population so that we have a new generation of people who are better informed and better able to bring in new methods and different techniques that would help us adapt to a changing climate.
One of the biggest stakeholders is the young generation, and we need to get them on board. An important project that we develop and implement is what we call the Solar School project, which is a solar PV installed on the school and to help them to contribute to the consumption of electricity. It's also being used as an education needs kit to the schools to teach them the whole technologies, the whole science behind solar PV.
Looking at this panel on our roof every day, and it brings us to mind that we have to teach our children to preserve our planet.
Practically, it has benefited the school by decreasing the cost of electricity bill from around 30%. And for the students, it supplies the air conditioning and the electrical energy, the lights in the computer labs.
Solar power also reduces the use of electricity, and it also benefits us by reducing the use of fossil fuels.
Since solar power has been installed at my school, I have realized it is not only for reducing bills, but it is also helping to fight against global warming.
Action is key. We have to act and we have to commit. Seychelles is already committed, so it is a call for partners to keep working with us and believing in us. Islands can actually show the way and help the bigger countries to work together to achieve those global goals.
We need to come together, share our experiences, share our best practices, pull our heads together and fight this whole climate change as one.
We might be small, but every effort we put contributes.